What is going on, guys? My name is Alex. Welcome back to a brand new video. It is Monday and usually I would upload a deep web video, but I have a much requested video, and that is the affiliate marketing program, how it works, how to get started, how to use it. In this video I'm going to show you guys exactly how affiliate marketing works, so I would say I will catch you guys right after the intro. Okay guys, so we're gonna start off with affiliate marketing and what it is. So basically, affiliate marketing is basically people making money by selling other people's stuff. So I'm not saying that you should actually have a store or ship products yourself or accept payments yourself, deal with customers face to face, or any of those complicated tasks, because basically what it is you're selling other people's stuff online, meaning that you will get an affiliate link. For example, let's say Amazon. So at the bottom you probably have like an affiliate program. If you sign up for an account for free, that's basically just 1 minute to do. And what you can do then is you can create any link you like and you can share wherever you want. So let's say that I am making a video about a green screen, for example, I did in 2016. If I wanted to make some coin, all I can do is just put an affiliate link in the description of that video and say, for example, guys, if you want to buy this green screen, check out the link in the description, and anytime someone clicks on it and even buys that green screen, I'll receive a commission. Now a commission can be between 4 to 10% depending on the affiliate programs such as Amazon or eBay. So that's basically a really cool technique to make some extra money. And basically what you can do is, if you have, for example, a huge fan page, for example Harry Potter, what you can do is like you can create a post like, hell yeah guys, Harry Potter is coming out with a brand new book. And what you can do then is just go to your affiliate program, sign in, look for that Harry Potter book on Amazon, create your affiliate link and share that on the Facebook page, and anytime someone clicks on that link and buys that book, you will get a commission. Now they don't have to buy the exact book, but if they just end up walking away with some $1,000 plasma TV, you will still get a commission for that. So I hope I cleared up some things, guys. That's basically how affiliate marketing is. You can just have your custom link on your website, in your YouTube description of your videos, share it, people will click on it, buy it, and you will receive a commission. So that's it, guys. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the continued support. I'll catch you guys obviously tomorrow in a brand new how-to, and obviously on Wednesday for Vegas. You guys know the routine. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to smash the like button down below already, and I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's video.